kanina ang sabi sa inyo ni Coach, kailangan magtiwala lang kayo dun sa inyong sarili, especially on the second set kung saan nawala kayo. Paano kayo naka-recover, naka-bounce back, especially on the third and fourth set? Paano nyo nakuha yung kumpiyansa nyo ulit?
Nagtiwala lang po talaga kami sa isa't isa, sa bawat teammates namin, and then yung better reception, and then nag-less kami sa errors namin.
Okay, mahaba-haba pa ang tournament natin, but you will be going on your last game against the DFA. Do you think that you have the advantage going up against the DFA on your last game here in the first round dahil sa panalong ito? Do you think may advantage kayo kontra sa DFA? Yun ang susunod yung laro dahil sa panalong ito. So do you think mas may advantage kayo?
No, lahat naman po ng teams na sumali dito magagaling naman po talaga. So, we're all the same.
Okay, on your part, ano pa sa tingin mo yung pwedeng ma-improve ng PhilHealth Health Insurers as the tournament goes along?
Yung better reception po talaga namin, at saka yung positioning po namin.